Hello, I'm Chiman Jie. Today is lesson 7 on the case study. I'm going to divide the lesson into two parts. First part is the basic reading. Second part is the reading on the marriage and relationship. Let's do a quick recap. Basic chart reading technique involves few steps. Step number 1 is to identify the answer box or in the owl pillar. Second step is to find the asker or the subject box, which is in the day pillar. Third step is to find the useful symbols or gods and their meanings. Step number 4 is to find out the relationship between answer box, asker box, and useful symbols. Step number 5, we have to identify whether there are special signs such as emptiness, horse sign, or whether the chart is a Fu Yin or Fan Yin chart. And lastly, we need to have a holistic view in order to conclude. So let's start with the first case study. We shall use this chart. The question is, Andy just took an examination and wonder if he will pass the exam. What will be the result? So here we have Andy who is asking. He just took an exam and he would want to know the result. So first of all, we need to identify the answer box, which is in the owl box. In this case, it's Sin. Sin is located in this palace. Palace number 3. This is the answer box. Now, we need to find out where is the asker. Asker is found in the day pillar. Jia cannot be found in this chart because Jia is hidden. So how do we identify Jia in this chart? This is a formula in finding hidden Jia. If Jia is combined with Zi, it can be found in Wu. If Jia is combined with Shu, it could be found in Ji. If Jia is combined with Sen, it can be found in Geng. And if Jia is combined with Wu, it can be found in Xing. Jia, if combined with Chen, it could be found in Ren. And lastly, if Jia is combined with Yin, it could be found in Gui. So let's get back again to the chart. Where is Jia? You can see here, Jia combined with Shu. Jia combined with Shu can be found in Ji. So where is Ji in this chart? Ji is found in this box, box number 4. So Andy is here. So now, let us interpret the meanings of each box. This is box number 3, or Palace 3. Palace 3 is referring to something that is fast or unexpected, something that is hard to control or not much choice. Sin referring to small mistakes. It could be the careless mistakes in answering exam questions. There is darkness here. Darkness means the outlook is gloomy or there is some sort of shady transaction. Obstruct means the result is not promising because there is a blockage. It's hard to move. And bandit. Bandit is referring to unlawful encounter could be also a possibility of losing money. So overall, in this box, the exam result does not look promising. Let's see the asker box, which is in the Palace 4. Palace 4 is referring to something that is undecided. And then there is a horse sign here. Horse signs mean unstable. In terms of character, G is a gentle person. Partner refers to a person who is easygoing or amicable. Feudor means that this person has the tendency to look good and have good planning. A diplomat person is usually a hardworking and willing to sacrifice in order to achieve great things. So, Andy is someone who wants to look good and willing to sacrifice in order to achieve something, and at the same time also a hardworking and a good planner. But here I could see that there is a possibility of unlawful encounter. So how do we answer these questions? I will want you to be mindful in answering questions. Sometimes the truth is too hard to accept. In this case, I could see that there is a possibility of bribery because there is a possibility of losing money and the willingness to sacrifice. So, if I have to answer the question, I would say, if Andy had prepared or planned good enough for the exam, he will likely to pass. But don't expect flying colors. Whether he will do the bribing in order to pass the exam or not, it is not up to us to decide because the possibility is there. So be mindful when you answer questions. Sometimes we have to filter out whatever we need to say, and sometimes we just need to throw back again the answer or the questions back again to the asker, because asker is the best person to actually know what would he do next. Okay, that will be all for this case study. Let's get to the next case study.